The topic of my previous presentation today is the influence of word of mouth and involvement on consumer purchase behavior. And I divided my presentation today into three parts: introduction, literature review, and methodology. And let's begin with introduction. It includes research background, statement of problem, and research purpose. And in previous research, word of mouth has been approved by many researchers that it has a huge effect on consumers' purchasing behavior. And it mainly is because it is a non-commercial communication. And word of mouth, just like what is called, it is also called online word of mouth or internet word of mouth. It is the word of mouth that happen in internet. And this is a statement of problem. There were many researchers focused on either word of mouth or consumer involvement. However, only few researchers consider consumer involvement as an intervening variable of word of mouth. And therefore, the purpose of this study was to explore the influence of word of mouth and consumer involvement and consumer purchase behavior. And literature review include word of mouth, trust, and involvement. Let's begin with consumer information seeking behavior. It includes four stages. First stage is attempting to purchase, and then it comes to the perceiving risk, anxious of the unfamiliar products or too many choices of the products. And the third stage is minimizing the risk. And it comes to the final stage, seeking information. And most of the consumer will consult the word of mouth as their information seeking. And this is about the characteristics of word of mouth. Mainly, there were three characteristics of word of mouth. First is, it is direct to multiple individuals. And second, it has no time and geographical restrictions. And third, it can be anonymous. However, Mayer et al. In 1995 stated that the need for trust only arises in a risky situation. And most of the time, it is hard to know the reliability of the word of mouth in the internet. Therefore, it has a concern of trustworthiness. And this is about the definition of trust. Luigi and Banker in 1995 mentioned that social psychologists define trust as an expectation about the behavior of others in transactions. And moreover, Erdogan in 1999 divided the trust into three subcategories. First is expertness. It means the extent to which a communicator is perceived to be a source of valid assertions. And second, trustworthiness. It refers to honesty and believability of a communicator. And the third one, attractiveness. It includes a number of characteristics of a communicator might have. For example, intellectual skills, personality, properties, or lifestyles. And Zarkovsky in 1986 mentioned that the definition of involvement means a person's perceived relevance of the object based on inherent needs, values, and interests. And Robertson et al. Further pointed out that the consumer with different degrees of involvement view might have different attitude on their behavioral dimension. For example, The consumer with high involvement view in the information seeking process will be actively seek product and brand information, while the consumer with low involvement view, they will seek limited product and brand information. And in the dimension of attitude change, the consumer with high involvement view, their attitude change is difficult and rare, while the consumer with low involvement view, their attitude change is frequent but short. And here comes the final part, the methodology. It includes